aiwa ndichida kutendai muri yeZimbabwe nekuda kwesapoti yamunotipa pano paSaint.tv basa achienda mberi. Ndichida kuramba ndichitenda rutsigiro rwenyu rwamunoramba muchitipa pano paSaint.tv. Aiwa ndichida kutenda zvakare vasawira vedu Fit and Go ndo vanotigadzirira suspension yemotikari kutosvika kwese kunoku kuti tizoona Mr. Biriot takagadzirwa suspension neFit and Go. Aiwa nhasi kandamira one of our own ava vari kupisa vane content ravo vega ndete vane content ravo vega yekuti kana newe unotoona kutoti pari kushandwa. Mr. Biriot muri right here?
I'm happy. I prayed for this time.
Serious?
Kuti tizosangana mimi neni tichitaura.
Neno ndafara visingaiti.
I'm happy.
Ndaita ngozi kuti one of the good days chaifanira kuzosanganisa izvozvo.
Exactly.
Chimwe chinhu chiri kundifadza ndechekuti maimbova YouTuber. But now you're more than that. You're more than a content creator because the kind of content that you are creating it's something chiri kudzidzisa nekusimudzira vanhu vakawanda. Nhasi ndoda kumbotry kuita interview though I know kuti tichatadza zvedu but ndoda kumbotry kuinterview. Ambotadza
because munozvigona zvinhu. For you indoona ngezvinhu zviri natural. Because ndashanda nemi nguva yakareba. Tafamba tese nguva yakareba kuenda naMurambinda uko.
Tirara
road. Saka zvinhu zvinofadza kuona muri palevel ramava izvozvo. And kana uri zvinhu zvichiitika kwauri iwewe as an individual hauone growth yako. But isusu tinokuona muchiita zvamunenge muchiita.
Kana neno ndiri kuona zvamukuita. Especially kuti content renyu manje. Alright, regai timbodzokera mumashure. Chekutanga ka pane vamwe vanozoti Biriot. Anombonzi Kelvin Biriot. Ndiani akakurira kupi zveYouTube? Zvakatangwa sei?
Exactly. Munhu anonzi Kelvin Biriot. Kelvin Biriot is a content creator. Munhu anogadzira mavideos. And ndakakurira kuChinhoe.
Okay.
And then when I finished my A level, ndakabva ndati ngaimbochinja environment semunhu akakurira muno muChinhoe. Ndakataura vabereki vangu kuti kana ndakuenda university ndoda kunoitira kuBhindura. Ndombochinjawo environment. Ndichibva ndaenda kuBhindura kwakwe ndakanoita degree resocial work. But handazokwanisa kupedza nokuti my dad mubereki wangu mudhara wangu inini yasvika level rekuti mudhara wangu inini anga akushaya school fees ekundibhadharira. Sometimes mubereki anosvika level rekuti anokwereta mari and then ane chikwereto kudaro ofoswa nesituation kukwereta futi. Saka asvika level rekuti anga akusakwanisa kukwereta imwe mari yekundisapota ndiri kuuniversity nokuti ane chimwe chikwereto chaasati aita sei abhadhara. So ndakada kuenda kuattachment ndasara ne1 semester kuti ndiende kuattachment. Mudhara wangu inini akabva nditi mufana wangu ndazama kuti ndikubatsire but zvikuramba. Dai wambouya kunokumba tamboisa musoro pamwe timbotsvaga mari and then continue waita sei continue. So by that time I was creating my videos for Kundai Chitima. And ndanda part 2 ipapo. Ndanda second year. So ndakaziya Kundai after I reached out to him kuti ndinoona ndimi munoita zve-social media. Inini ndinogadzira tumavideo ndichingoposta pasocial media twebhora. Ndichijagura bhora.
Yeah, I remember zvebhora ndozvechi.
Yeah, because I created a YouTube channel inini as a way to create my own opportunity as a football player. But mukufamba ma-street eYouTube unoona zvakawanda wanda. Ndopa ndakaona vanhu vakatanga naKundai Chitima. And then I reached out to him kuti mukuzvigonawo sei imini. Kanzi mufana wangu, you can do this and make money. I was surprised that you can make money through YouTube. And I was a nobody. Kundai Chitima was a brand. Angato brand kare. Achibva nditi you can make money. He took his time kutaura neni kuti this is how you can make money. And then that's when I started YouTube doing social comment. So panga pasvika level kuti mubereki wangu anga nditi chidzoka kumba tiise musoro pamwe titsvage mari yekuti tidzokere university. Pfungwa dzangu inini dzanga dzakusatomboconcentrate pandakadzora pasina mari dzaku-content creation dzese. Saka kuti ndidzokere ukuku ndaiziva kuti ndichadzokera but ndati Mwari ndibatsirewo. Ndodzokera futi kwandakatangira. Ndawasta 2 years kuuniversity. Kundai Chitima akabva atondifonera zvakanzi you can come. Ndokubhadhara rent. And then toisa my ideas pamwe chete. You see, that's what happened. Ndakabva ndatanga kugara kunonzi kuGlenora. I was working with Kundai and at the same time creating videos for myself.
All right.
And that's when I started life in Harare as a content creator, and I never turned back.
Makore mangani yozvizvi?
So far, content creation. Tangira pana
kundai
2020 to 2024.
All right, mucovid muyamwe.
Mucovid, exactly. Mucovid. Because I was alone as a young man, and who rented because in Naska Kwanso Badra rent, Naska Kwanso was taking a
I remember,
yeah. Risky life, man, risk a foot in Dara.
But content, or not content yet, yes. Because remember, it's in Inondichizo, we antisangana neo. Tichizo, tanga kufamba tese. Tichidaru. Zichidaru. Kone yacho nene msiganzo. Anyway, zichidaru. Chimbo tendera.
Tikiona
tisina
kana chatinacho. I still remember maitogara mu one room.
Rent ye $50 ichindiremera.
Exactly. Warren Park D.
Exactly. Kwa marriage.
Exactly. So ndosakandati kana nchitarisa mimi I see growth because I was there pamakatanga life.
Kana nemonda kanga report chipusha.
Exactly.
No, not only that, but I still remember pamakatanga kubata 700 US.
Exactly.
Pakawani mfaro wako man.
YouTube. So that is what I always tell people, that you're only one video away from success. Because in any one video, I put it out into $700 per month. There were 500, 600 views, 1,000. Then one video you put it.
Thousands, hundreds and hundreds of thousands.
And it changes everything. I believe social media helps an individual to create a community, could trust, believer in you.
Yeah.
I think one can actually comment, you're doing a good job. Build a confidence yako. Kunyange munu ongori munhu ari lolo. Because isusu vamwe kutaura chokwadi, we are not really good with people, even pakutaura chaipo chaipo. So doing social media, there is that comfort zone yaunozvigadzirira, and at the same time kaworld kako kaunorespectwa, kaworld kako kaunogadzisa mistakes ako in life. So I'm happy. It's a learning phase uchienda mberi.
Alright, chii chakazokuita kuti muchoose? Because patakatanga I remember takanga tichiri kuita mbonyongera. Tichiri kungoti chero chauya toita.
Exactly.
But then I later saw you are choosing the path that you are in right now.
So
what made you choose that path?
Maturity.
Okay.
Because you are creating enemies unwillingly. To create a content.
Right.
You are commenting on celebrity lives. I think as of today, patoni mama celebrity asingatomboda kuona face yangu. Angaiti mpana ndio mfano yake akatigadzira ma video back in the days. So even when I left this whole thing with a social commentary on celebrities or zvinhu mu life, when I tried to reach out to my celebrities kuti ndoda interview, vaitoramba. Atizotaura nemazita pano mwana vakatotaura kuti akambogadzira video rakadai so. So that was a learning curve for me, and I was happy that panda ndakafeza kuda kuchinja content rakasangana nababa Harare.
Okay.
I managed to interview him.
I remember
down to earth, a human being. Back then he was not even singing gospel, but you could see this guy is a gentle guy, he's a gentleman. And even my wife, who was learning to create content back then, she managed to interview Baba Harare. I'm telling you.
Imagine a brand like him.
Exactly.
And you are just by then,
nobody.
I'm a nobody.
You are nobody. I managed to have I think it was 40 minutes with Baba Harare. A nobody. He was in the gym.
I remember.
Exactly.
Those are the things but nakanga notinotanga ichita sei. Chingoimba kana.
Ndisini maititi manje. Ini ndoto
chingoimba ore penyu. Pengoti
Bona famba. Bona rara. Bona daraka. Ndichange ndinewe.
Zaunoita, zaunobata, kwa unoenda, ndichange ndinewe.
Hai warita, ndukuda kusvika ndakita, kana zvekuta ndaneta. Iyo.
Sandakuda okudai, Baba Harare, ini yandirare, ende yandinyare. Don't play with my mind. For you I'll sacrifice. My heart is all you got. Bataruoko wangu tiende.
Ndoda kwenda newe.
Bataruoko wangu tiende.
Fambe neni. Bataruoko wangu tiende.
Shanda kuda okudai.
My God.
Baba harare. Indi andirare. Ende andinyare.
I'm happy for him. So
and ipapo ndo not mbe mangotaura about Baba Harare.
yeah.
Not because now I'm close to him, but from your own experience back then, and people saying what they want about him today.
Exactly.
Especially kuti achuza the path ya sarunza kuti ndoya ndakuda kuenda. A lot of people, I think muri kuzoona online, they're saying a lot of things. But remember Baba Harare akambomba futi kwa JP. Ari pa peak pe zvinhu zvaizvi.
Exactly. So, I mean, people are going to talk. If people are not talking about you, you are doing nothing. Exactly. So, let them talk, and he must focus on what he's doing best, and God will uplift him.
Yeah.
Apana kada na kuna mwara akasiwa kadaro mpo. Hakuna. So we are always going to trust God in every situation. And yeah, and just ndasvika sei kuroba.
All right. So why makachichuza kunge muri munobuditsa family?
Okay. So for me, my mind, I believe, to me, this is my own perspective, everything is content.
Okay.
Everything that gives me an opportunity to create content and produce revenue, I'll use it.
Okay.
So as a content creator, I figured I can create content with my own family. Every moment will be generating revenue.
Okay.
But I have to be clever about it.
Okay.
And the method that I chose a method that will work in the long run.
Okay.
Not rezokuti vazotrenda nokuti vadai so. No. We are creating genuine content. And if you see vanhu vari kuita couples right now, they started creating content chatotanga kare isusu. That's what Kundai told me. Biriot, if you notice that these guys that are creating couple content right now, imi makatovatangira kare. And I had to talk to him about it, and we talked about it. But I saw an opportunity and I took it. And I enforced certain principles and values. If I'm to create content with my family, I have to make sure that
yes.
And I have to make sure that everything is genuine. It has to be genuine, and it has to lead by example. Because we have to showcase life in two sides.
Right.
Per social media. Don't showcase one side yet.
Okay.
My life it there's to be two sides. My problems so that people can know that face out my problems. So bit by bit, I'm creating content with my family, and I'm also at the same time protecting them.
All right.
Kuti, we don't create unnecessary content. That is why we barely post. But it's a risk to post your family on social media. And probably, maybe, I'll get to a point that I'll no longer post them. Because the brand is growing. The Kelvin brand is growing. Once it reaches that level where it's no longer necessary or even safe to post them, I'll stop. Because I would need to protect them also. My wife is also building a brand, the Birot family, because she's the first figure panyaye the Birot family.
Okay.
So I don't know how to create a content. It's not controversy. The idea is to create content that has no controversy and yet generating revenue
at the same time.
And
so a lot of people, they just think that you have to create content that includes controversy. That is controversial for them, for you to earn something online. So
that's the old model.
The positivity of every content that can be positive. People don't see it as content.
Exactly. That's what we are trying to change, because people now have that negative basic mentality kuti controversy ndo the thing chaunokwanisa kuita kuti ubudire muno muZimbabwe. Very wrong. That is the old model.
Okay.
The new model, create content. People are now tired of controversy. People now need something that they can relate to and learn. Zvangofanana, right now people they want to eat healthy.
Yeah.
They are focusing on the right thing, healthy life. So same applies to content. People now want to consume real content, content that they can relate to. It's not controversy. I have a lot of good examples that I can tell you guys, you can make it without even controversy. Everything big starts small. We have been doing this in Mimikomanguneni for years now.
For years. And
bit by bit.
And atina controversy.
Amazon. So 3 years from now, when my brands are Akura, so people will be saying, so these guys, they managed to grow to this level without even controversy, without even nude pictures on social media. That would be an amazing, good example. So we are supposed to lead by example and putting God first. I mean, people forget that an influencer, for you to be given that brand, that name, this one is an influencer, you have to lead by example. I am happy that you do charity work.
Okay.
You are leading by example, guys. You just, I always love your videos when you arrive. And then the one you open the boot, take whatever you want. People are not expecting something like that. That, my brother, is kindness at its highest level. You are leading by example. How many people in Mimo Amgasanga now you are doing an amazing job. That's what we want. So so
guys, I'm just happy because
I'm happy too.
You know, this is someone who have decided to do content very positive, to create videos that you can even relate to. Something that is not artificial, something that is not controversial, something that is not that you can be scared. You know, there's some other video that you be scared. Hey, should I open this video and watch with my family? This is the men who have decided to spread only positive content.
We're trying.
So thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Nekun
No.
Thank you so much. So guys, kana mchida kubata Mkoma Biriot, maybe une farm rako rauruda uti vambono sika. Maybe you are building a house ya unofunga kuti no, Zimbabweans must see, must learn from what I'm doing.
Exactly.
Munokwanza ubata Mkoma Biriot. All you have to do, and I'm no follower on his social media handles. From Instagram, he's on Facebook. Go and watch his videos and subscribe on his YouTube channel. That is Yakanzichi Kelvin Biriot. And
exactly.
By 10. So now Yakanzi Kelvin Biriot. So my brother, thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you too.
5
years from now, we'll be watching the same video. There's supposed to be progress.
Yes.
So I'm happy. So guys, make sure to subscribe to Sen TV. The best is yet to come.
Much love and God bless.